أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم اللهم صل على محمد وآل Muhammad. Respected viewers, Salamun Alaikum. Inshallah, I'm going to discuss in this session about the creation of universe according to Quranic sciences and modern sciences. But as we know that there are different theories and journals and articles and researches has been published in modern science. So I'm not going to deep discuss the creation of this universe according to modern science, but I will try to focus what Islam says about the creation of universe and what are Quranic verses saying regarding the creation of universe and other organism. My topic in this session is human creation according Quranic sciences and modern science, especially the theory which has been introduced in 19th century by Charles Darwin. But before that, there is a very famous question, and every student of science, and even if a person is not a science student, this question comes in mind, that how this big and vast and mighty universe has been created. So there are different views, since the Unani philosophers, the philosophers from Yunan, Greek, they have given many ideas, they gave many ideas regarding the creation of the universe. And then later on, when Muslim scientists, they got the Quranic verses, then they gave their views, and in between Western scientists, they continued their research regarding the universe. The very famous ayah of Quran from chapter Anbiya, verse number 30, where Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying that, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, أَوَلَمْ يَرَ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا أَنَّ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ كَانَتَا رَتْقًا فَفَتَقْنَاهُمَا وَجَعَلْنَا مِنَ الْمَاءِ كُلَّ شَيْءٍ حَيٍّ أَفَلَا يُؤْمِنُونَ. Do the unbelievers not see that the heavens and the earth were joined together, and we unveiled them, and we made every living thing out of water? Will they not then have faith? So this very verse of Quran is clearly saying that Inna samawati wal ard qanata rataqa. The heavens and the earth were joined together. Now, in a first reaction, you will see that how heavens and earth can join together. And I would like to clear here that whenever in Quranic verses we use the word heavens, samawat, the translation of samawat in English is heavens. It doesn't mean the sky, the blue sky we look on the top of our head. No. Heavens means the atmosphere, the whole atmosphere, and you can say universe including. But whenever we use the word earth, it means where we are living, planet earth. So if we see this ayah of Quran from chapter Anbiya, where Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has clearly mentioned that there was a day in أن السماوات والأرض كانت رتقا. They were joined. Now this very idea, how it came in existence, in modern science, what they say regarding this, is it acceptable, is it okay, or it is against the nature of today's modern science? So what modern science says today regarding the creation, if you talk about the creation, we see that according to the new research, the universe in which we live is an amazing thing, is an amazing place. And according to scientists, it has been created 10 billion years before, and it has billions and trillions of stars and so many planets and so many, you can say, stars. As I said, that according to science, they say around 10 billion trillion stars are there. But the main question is here, that how this universe came in existence. So if we see Quranic verses, Quran is saying two terminology has been used regarding the creation of universe in Quran. One is either khalaqa or fatara, means the origin word. So in one place Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying that fatirus samawati wal ard in Surah Ash-Shura chapter 42 and verse number 11. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying the originator, fatirus samawati wal ard, the originator is he of the heavens and the earth. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is originator. And in another place, as I mentioned before, in Surah Anbiya verse number 30, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying that أَوَلَمْ يَرَ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا أَنَّ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ كَانَتَا رَتَقًا فَفَتَقْنَاهُمَا وَجَعَلْنَا, and I have created, we have created, وَجَعَلْنَا مِنَ الْمَاءِ كُلَّ شَيْءٍ حَيٍّ أَفَلَا يُؤْمِنُونَ. So one place Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is using the word al-fatir, that Allah is an originator himself. And another place Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying khaliq, he is a creator, khaliq as-samawat, you can say. So he is the creator. In the both meaning we can say originator and creator. Okay, technically there is a difference. Whenever we talk originator, origin always comes from, you can say, when there is nothing prepared before. And if you brings anything in existence, it means you have originated. But whenever we say that I have created this thing, I made this thing, it means there was some primary ingredient, there are some things, and after joining those ingredients or mixing each other, I made this thing. So both places in Quran which are using this the word originator and creator has its own meaning, and it gives an idea. But if you see another place where Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioning in the Quran, in Surah Dariyat, chapter number 51 and ayah number 47, where Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying that وَالسَّمَاءَ بَنَيْنَاهَا بِأَيْدٍ وَإِنَّا لَمُوسِعُونَ. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying we have built the sky with might, and indeed it is we who are its expander. So now, up to now, in our discussion, two things came in existence. The first thing is that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying this heaven and earth, sky and earth, heavens and earth, they were joined before and He has separated. And inshallah, in next session, I will focus on this, how it has separated. And another place, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has created the sky with might. So He is the creator according to Qur'an. But what modern science says, how this universe came in existence and what was the primary position of this universe, does it match with Quranic verses? Inshallah, we will continue. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.